Goodnight Krampus by Kyle and Derek Sullivan. Before I take off on my Christmassy flight, I must tuck in my friends and wish them good night. Good night, narwhals, and good night, Yeti. Good night, sleepy elves, are you tucked in and ready? Good night, Krampus, sweet dreams to you.
Good night, no way, there's so much to do. Let's dance and spin, let's sing and cheer. Who can sleep now with Christmas so near?
I know Christmas is near and it's more fun to play, but if you don't sleep soon, you'll be tired all day.
I'm too excited to sleep, let's have fun instead. There's so much to do besides going to bed.
I know it's hard to wind down, but it's for your own sake. I can't deliver your presents if you're still awake.
You know what? I'm quite tired. Sleeping sounds great. You have a lot going on, and I won't make you wait. Good night, narwhals. And good night, Yeti. Good night, sleeping elves. Okay, Santa. I'm ready.
Ho ho, good night, little Krampus. Sleep tight and take care. And good night, little Krampuses everywhere. The end.